Ramadan Kareem, a month unlike any other, a time when the gates of Jannah are wide open. But have you ever felt that Ramadan passes by too quickly, and you wish you had done more? So what makes this Ramadan different for you? What if this time you truly transformed? Ramadan is not just about fasting. It's about breaking free from distractions, from temptations, from the chains that hold us back from becoming the best version of ourselves. Imagine a heart so pure that it longs only for the pleasure of Allah, a soul so light that it soars in prayer, in dhikr, in gratitude. But how do we achieve this? How do we make this Ramadan different? It starts with intention, niyah, the silent whisper of the heart that says, Ye Allah, this Ramadan, I want to be closer to you than ever before. When you set this intention, every sujood becomes deeper. Every verse of the Quran speaks to your soul. Every fast strengthens not just your body, but your iman. And what if I told you that with a few simple yet powerful steps, you could feel an unshakable connection with Allah Almighty? That this Ramadan, you could feel a love so vast, so pure, that it brings tears to your eyes. This is why we are launching this Ramadan series, to guide you, to remind you, to walk with you on this path of Iman. Over the next few weeks, we will explore the beauty of fasting, the hidden gems of the Quran, and the habits that can change your life forever. But the real question is, are you ready? If you want this Ramadan to be truly life-changing, then join us on this journey. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's step into this blessed month together. May Allah accept our efforts and fill our hearts with light.